Hi there, my name's Edgar. Are you currently using Premier Salon or Premier Spa? Why not move to our newest system, Salon by Premier Software, through a reconfiguration today? With a fresh appearance and the most up-to-date features including social media integration, online medical and consultation forms, as well as automated marketing straight to clients' phones, Salon by Premier Software will ensure your salon is a cut above the competition. To help you decide if a reconfiguration is right for you, we've outlined the process in this video. The first step in a reconfiguration is called the scoping. As part of this process, we will run through what information can be brought over to your new Salon by Premier Software system and the hardware requirements to ensure your software runs smoothly. Please be advised that only client static data such as name, address, telephone numbers and email address, as well as stock info including the product, price, year and manufacturer, can be imported as part of your reconfiguration. Don't worry though, you can access any data on your old system before, during and after the configuration process if you need to. You can also find a hardware specification in the document below to ensure Salon will run smoothly on your PC. In brief, this will be a Windows 8 Pro, 8.1 Pro or Windows 10 Pro 64-bit system with at least 8GB of RAM. Next, we will confirm if you would like to set up Premier's payment gateway. This will enable you to take client payments online through PDQ or virtual terminals. Once all this information is gathered, we will be in touch with 3 forms for you to look over and sign. The first is the Reconfiguration Advisory Form, which provides advice for the reconfig process. The second is the Reconfiguration Agreement Form, which is a declaration that looks a little something like this. The final form is the Maintenance Agreement, which is the contract for the software being purchased. Simply sign these online using Adobe Sign and send this back to us as soon as possible. Next, let us know which software you are interested in being configured onto. For example, Salon by Premier Software. Let us know whether you are a hair or beauty salon and how many licenses you may require so we can cater a system more to your needs. Once you have answered all these important questions, we will be happy to organize your reconfiguration to make sure your business is ready to go. Click the link in the description below for your config at £295 plus VAT, including 2 remote training days. You can even set up split payments, leasing, payment in full or a deposit of 25% and balance on completion. You will then be handed over to our implementations team to fill out a configuration form, which will look a little something like this. Simply click the tabs at the bottom to fill out important details such as your address, staff rotas, and, vitally, your appointments. Simply fill out the name of the appointment, the lengthy minutes, the income center, and any other details such as whether a patch test is required and what patch test that is. Finally, input the price. You can generally receive these details from your price list if in any doubt. All of these details are essential to make your config as smooth and easy as possible. Once complete, we will be happy to carry out your reconfiguration. I hope you found this video insightful. To find out more about Salon, make sure to book a free presentation using the link in the description. You can also visit our website at www.premiersalon.co.uk, contact our sales team on 01543 466 580 or email at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. For more salon how-tos, tips and tricks, why don't subscribe to us on YouTube and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as they are available. We also have several social media networks for you to follow for regular Premier Software content. In the meantime, check out our other helpful videos and I'll see you next time.